Hi guys, I'm Shan. I'm back. Today I will show you my father's shoes. So today, let's unwrap. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright. Here's the box. Jordan shoes. The box is full of damage. So let's get started. Hi guys. So let's get started. Here is the shoes, and it's where's that? Okay, it's camouflage because this is dark. It's have like this because it's Jordan. It's Jordan 10. There's a Jordan. This jumping. See Michael Jordan, and the shoelace is nice, like super nice. It had 23 there a Jordan here, Jordan 23 because it's 23. You have 23 shots, that's why. And there's inside it's a Nike, but what's the size? I think it's size 29. I'm not sure. There's some. When you see this, it's nice. See, there's like this, and there's like this. You see here, it's there, and there's like it's tigers, maybe like a fish scales, and so there's a. Where is that? Oh, here is like clay, but why it's like this? It's nice. So let's get this another one with another. So it's just the same. So bye. Mwah. Subscribe to my channel. Please support to me. Big thumbs up to my channel. Bye. Yeah.